Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
Wasn't that hard, was it? So I've got 3 of these now. I think I'm going to make 1 more. So that's the blocks made. I've trimmed them down to size, so the pattern actually says that they're 12 inches square when finished, but I had to trim mine down to 11 inches. I don't know whether that's my inaccurate seams. I did try and stick to 1/4 inch seam allowance throughout, so I'm not quite sure what's happened there, but you can still see all of the sunflower within the block. So I'm down to 11 inches. So what I've decided to do is make this into a little pram quilt for my granddaughter. I'm going to put sashing between the blocks, and so as I say, I've cut it down to 11 inches. So I've cut 11 inch by 2 inch sashing strips, and another of the colours that I bought on a previous shopping trip to that shop, also in green, nice limey fresh green. That's going to be the posts. So the way that I'm going to assemble this with the sashing is, first of all, I'll attach one sashing strip to one of the edges without a post on it. Then I'll attach a sashing strip with a post attached like that. Make them look like that, then I'll be able to join them, and it's a quick way of doing sashing and it being accurate, in theory anyway.
Lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
I'm not sure what happened to the sound on this clip, but I'm explaining that I was given this green fleece throw to use, and I just decided to cut a strip for the top and bottom of the pram blanket to make the blanket rectangular rather than square, and then make the backing in the same fabric and not bind the quilt, because I wanted it to be snuggly and have a very sort of soft edge. I do hope you enjoyed this project. This has certainly got a snuggly quality to it. It's got quite a nice velvety sort of fleece that I've lined it with. And I've only just made a seam around here, top stitching. Haven't really quilted it as such, but I think it would be quite nice as a little pram quilt to use. like the white cotton next to the velvety green. Quite enjoying that. If you've stayed through to the end, well done. Thanks for keeping me company. I've really enjoyed sharing this project with you, and I hope it might have given you a few ideas. I'll put the instructions for the sunflower blocks into the description, and I'll also put a list of the materials that I actually used to make this little pram quilt.